Hey, we're back on the cabinet building again. My old rolling island. We stopped and got a piece of plywood first of the week from a local hardware store. We didn't buy the best plywood. We bought the one good side, one bad side plywood. Forgot what it's technically called, but didn't really find a good side on either side, but we found something that'll work. I went ahead and cut it up. I get off work, I don't have much time before it gets dark, so I have to do a little bit every evening. So I went ahead and cut it up yesterday evening. Got my piece in the bottom. Got my piece for the middle shelf. What I had the camera on just a minute ago was the top. We've got two pieces for the top. I'm gonna double it up, make it thicker. We found a pretty good looking piece out of all of it for the top. Hadn't decided yet if I'm gonna, what we're gonna do to it. If we're gonna burn it, if we're gonna shellac it or varnish it or whatever. Or just clear coat it. At least we are moving forward. Found another problem today. I decided to get on the email and find out where my wheels was. I ordered them over the weekend. Last Friday. Well, they didn't go out to Monday, early Monday morning. And they went on FedEx SmartPost. FedEx SmartPost, unfortunately, has some messed up logistics when it comes to getting to Middle Tennessee. My wheels went from South Carolina to Mississippi. Now they're going back to Nashville, which means they done passed the house twice by the time they get back to Nashville. Then they're going to put them on a truck and they're going to send them back down through Middle Tennessee to my local post office. They're going to pass the house 3 times. It's going to take 7 days to get them here. I guess that's how logistics works in big business. Didn't make sense to me, but I guess it'll be Saturday or Monday before I get wheels. I thought I'd do a quick update. We'll get back on it when we get more time and more supplies. Hopefully tomorrow I can start adding parts and pieces again. Hope y'all enjoy. God bless.